Hi, good evening, good Golden Queens family. We are here tonight. We're gonna make Pillsbury's chocolate fudge brownies, and we're gonna do a step-by-step and have little Golden here make her brownies. First, we're gonna open the box, and she's gonna take out the bag. Take the brownie batter mix out. Here. And it's saying that you need 1/4 cup water, 1/3 cup oil, and 1 egg. This is the Pillsbury fudge brownie, not sponsored, but this is what she chose, so we're gonna make tonight. So I'm gonna open the bag, and she will dump it. Here, you dump it in. You dump it in the mix. Then it calls for 1/4 cup water. You wanna do it? Okay. 1/3 cup oil. Okay. Hold on.
Okay.
And 1 egg. Okay. And now we're gonna turn the mixer on, and she will mix it all up. Wait, Mama. Gonna mix it all. We have the oven preheated already on 350. So now we're gonna just mix it all up. And she's gonna mix it. Here, hold it for me. I'm gonna help you. Mix this up a little bit. Okay, mix up a little bit. There you go. There you go. You're doing it. There we go. Now make sure it's all mixed up. Okay? Nope, not yet. Get this all mixed up here. There we go.
Mom.
What? Hold on. Nope, not yet. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're gonna have our pre-greased pan. We're gonna try to dump it. We're gonna pour it all in here.
I'll help you.
Okay. Here, like this. Here, hold it. Hold it like a brush. There you go. Here. Let me help you a little bit.
I'll do myself.
Okay.
Oh no.
Almost done.
Wait, finish it. Finish it.
Okay, wait. Do this side.
Okay.
Do the back.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, I want it.
Nope, not yet.
Okay.
Okay, now we have the oven preheated to 350, which is already ready. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven. And it's supposed to bake for 28 to 31 minutes, so we're gonna let that bake. And in the meantime, we're gonna just chill and it has to bake 28 to 31 minutes, and it has to cool afterwards. So we're gonna let that cook, and we'll come back when it's done. See you guys soon. Okay, we're back now. As you guys see, I have on these mitts, so now it's time to take the brownie out. So we're gonna take the brownie out and move on to the next step of the baking process. And now that the brownie is out, take this off. Yeah. We're gonna have Golden here put the chocolate chips in. Actually, the chocolate kisses.
Okay.
Wait, Mommy, gotta push it down in there. Just go ahead.
Okay. Hey, nobody.
She's saying, "Hey, everybody." So we're gonna put them and try to wind them up.
Here. I want more. I will put it there.
Yeah, it's all right. It's gonna melt. It's gonna melt down.
Okay. More.
The last one. Where you gonna put it?
Put there.
Right here.
Oh wait.
Okay.
Oh.
And now we're going to
Wait. Look. Tiny.
now that the chocolate Hershey Kisses are in. Now we're gonna go into the next step. We're gonna pour the
help you.
frosting. Help me. Okay. Get on your knees. Get on your knees.
Okay.
All right. Now she's soft. So now we're gonna let Golden here pour the frosting over it, and then we're gonna cut it up and try it. Here, hold this. Nope, 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 nope.
There.
Here, put this in. Pour it over.
Can I?
There we go. Pour it over. Alright. There we go. Wait, let's get the spatula.
Okay, okay. I help.
You wanna help?
Uh-huh.
So now you gotta, wait, let's get the spoon. So it's easier for you. Here. You're gonna smooth it over. So it spreads.
You.
Melting over.
Okay. I thought I go what I said about getting almond.
As you guys see, the chocolate chips are starting to melt into the brownie.
Your turn. It is it there.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna get the edges.
I want Mom. It is there here.
Okay.
You want all tiny
Candy melting. Yeah. Okay. And now we're gonna cut it.
a bowl.
Okay. Get your plate. Okay.
I
Let me cut
want
it.
this
Get your
one.
pink plate. Okay.
Okay.
Put it down. Move away, remember? We're gonna cut a piece and try it on camera so you guys can see what it looks like cut. Yes.
It looks like paper. Okay. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Can you make it go up?
Making brownies.
Bunny.
Yeah, chocolate fudge brownies.
Bunny.
Okay, Mom's gonna take this out.
Uh-huh.
It's still a little melted.
Oh. We're tiny
And there we go.
Tiny
Now we're
bye.
gonna try it.
Uh-huh.
Here, use this spoon. You wanna try your brownie? Here. Take a bite. No?
It's your turn.
Okay.
It's good. Okay. Oh, no.
Too hot?
I want tiny.
It's good. She wants the candy. Look, it's right there, but it's all melted in. See? Here. Is it good?
Uh-huh.
Well, she likes it. I like it. This is tonight's dessert. But make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos, vlogs. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Golden Queens family. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Look, say bye.
Bye.